Q-line, stop.
Ooh.
Q-line 563, turn left on Able.
He does say Q-line pi.
24 left.
You're going to go Victor and hold short of 24 left on Q-line 563.
Did you guys hear that? I swear he said key line pi.
Southwest 1346, left in Chicago, good afternoon, wind 120 with 6. Q-line, stop.
Ooh.
1346, travel across downfield, runway 24
Wow.
left, line up and wait. Runway 24 left, Southwest 1346. Q-line 563, travel hold in position, now cross runway 24 left, contact ground on 121.65.
24 left and that's flying 65, Q-line 563.
Surprised I didn't get a number.
Dry on